Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I really want to do another fall look. I'm not sure how the look is going to come out yet, but we're gonna find out as we go on throughout this video. If you've been watching me for a while, hey, how are you? But if you're new here, welcome to the family. So what I have in mind is I want to create a fall going out look. Quite professional, but it's also stands out. It could be natural because fall looks could be very natural because you wear those brown colors, so it could be very natural, but you could also add a little bit of brightness and colorful pigmented eyeshadows. So that is what I want to create today. I want to create a look that you can go out. So before we continue to the video, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel down here, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, so if you're curious to find out how this look is going to come out, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and dive into this video, which I'm super duper excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my moisturizer. And also yesterday I went ahead and purchased this baby right here. This is the Morphe times Jeffree Star collaboration. I think it has 9 brushes in total, and I wanted to invest in brushes. What better than this baby right here? So now basically I have the whole, well, not the whole, but almost the whole collection. So I'm super excited for that. And also I went ahead and bought new lashes. I want to step up my level. I know that I've been using the Ardell lashes, which are so good, so good. But I really wanted to try other lashes that I've seen a lot, which is the Lily lashes. And I think that these are so pretty. I went ahead and bought 2 of them. This is the Miami lashes, and this is the Mykonos, something like that, I'm not sure. And both are so pretty, so I will also be using one of these lashes today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply our foundation. Today I am using the Maybelline up to 24-hour foundation. This is the Super Stay foundation. It is so good. It is full coverage, and that is why I love it so much. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is the shade 360 Cashmere. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use Jeffree's brushes. I'm gonna be using JS7 to do my eyebrow. And now I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the shade Vanilla, which is a little bit lighter than the Cashmere one. And I'm just gonna put some right here, and I am using the brush JS10. Okay guys, so now we are ready to apply our eyeshadow. So with the Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna go with the shade Mogul, and I'm using the JS8 brush, and I'm basically going to grab that shade and apply it right here on my outer corner. So I am slightly going in with a circular motion and blending it like inward. So I went ahead and zoomed in my camera, guys, so that way you guys will definitely see how I do my eyeshadows. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply Los Angeles, and I'm gonna be using the JS6 brush to apply that, basically right here. And then with the brush JS12, I'm gonna go ahead and buff out the edges. And now I'm gonna go with the shade Mogul again, and I just want to bring back the purple color right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shade Want Noise, and I am using the brush JS11. And I'm basically applying that shade all over my lid. Again, I'm gonna go with the shade Mogul, and I want to blend in the purple shade. And I'm gonna go with the shade Los Angeles and blend out the edges as well. And I decided to use my e.l.f. fluffy brush to basically blend out Los Angeles. Okay guys, so this is how the eyes came out, and I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same step on this side of the eye, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I am back. As you see, I already applied my lashes. This is the Miami Fox Mink lashes from Lily Lashes. So I already applied one over here, and this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna apply the other one on my other eyes, and let's go. So I'm gonna grab my tweezer. One thing I noticed from these lashes is that they're very easy to take off. So before I start doing anything with my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my natural ones. And for the mascara, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And now I'm gonna go ahead and basically measure my eyelash. As you guys notice, there's a really big length to cut out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lashes. Okay guys, so our lashes it's already on and this is how it's looking. It is so cute and so fluffy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into it. So I'm gonna grab the shade Mogul and apply it under my eye. And I am using the e.l.f. eyeliner brush. And I'm basically going to apply it right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply channel. And I'm gonna apply it underneath. Now with the black eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my waterline. And now with my mascara, I'm gonna apply it underneath my lashes. And now for my inner highlights, I'm gonna go ahead and use custom rims. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Do you guys see the difference? That is just amazing. Oh my god. And now I'm gonna set my face using the Morphe x Jeffree Star. So that is it guys. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these babies right here and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this face, and I also think that the lashes are so stunning and so fluffy. It's definitely a next level for me and I really love it. And also I want to talk about the Jeffree Star times Morphe brush. These brushes are so good. When I applied the purple eyeshadow, it was so easy to apply. The eyebrow brush, it was also very nice to do my eyebrows. And I'm so happy that I really invested in these babies because I really do need this type of brushes whenever I do a look like this. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah guys, so without any further ado, I'll catch you guys in my next video.